Alright guys, we're just going to go over basics of a breadboard today, and so that's what I have right here. I also, forgive my work area, it's terrible. I've also got one right there to kind of show you, same setup. So when we're looking at them on this red line, and I'll use one of my wires to point it out, on that red line there, all of those are connected, okay? All of those on the red line, and so we'll see them down here. Got a red and then a blue, and same deal, all the blue ones are connected with each other. So I'm going to show us what that looks like. I've got my multimeter here, and when these touch it beeps, and you'll even see it light up over there. Just cheap multimeter I got on Amazon. Nice for doing these little things, right? So I've got this blue wire right here is plugged in to the red line, it's the positive, and this white one is as well. They're on opposite sides of the board, and it's gonna beep. There we go. And so, sorry. So that is what we'll call our positive rail, and then our negative rail. They're not connected across, and so I have a white over here on the positive rail and this red one. And these will not have continuity. That's what that beep is. It means continuous flow. These will not have continuity between them unless this is jumped out with something like that. And here, I'll jump this out really quick over here. And now these are bonded, and so we can have continuity on both sides. That's what that beep is. So, same deal on these rows here with the numbers running back and forth. These are all bonded or connected. When they're in one row, we've got the kitty cat right here. When they're in one row, but they're not connected from left to right, okay? And my board's split down the middle right there, but I have a black wire right here, and then I have an orange wire right here, and they're both on number 15 line. And these will have continuity. That means they're connected. But this black wire and this green wire that is right next to it on line 16 will not have continuity. They're not touching. And so this is helpful if I need to pull 3 lines for whatever reason off of a 5-volt pin. I can bring power from my source into my hot rail. I can bring that over into here, and now it powers all these. And now that we know how a breadboard works, let's get on to making some circuits.